You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. June 2026, Indian politics just delivered one of its most revealing days of the year. At Bharat Mandapam, the BJP-led NDA gathered to celebrate 12 years in power under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Across Delhi, leaders of the INDIA bloc met to discuss strategy, coordination, and the future of the opposition. One side was celebrating its longevity, the other was discussing its future. And together, these events raise a larger question. What does the balance of power in Indian politics look like today? The NDA gathering brought together leaders from across the country as Prime Minister Modi completed 12 years in office. For supporters, the event highlighted continuity, governance, and electoral success. For critics, it reflected the challenges of competing against a political machine that has spent more than a decade expanding its influence. Either way, after 12 years in power, the NDA remains the center force in Indian politics. And in the same week, leaders of the INDIA bloc met in Delhi. Among those attending was West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, one of the alliance's most influential figures. Her presence carried significance because discussions about opposition unity have been often accompanied by questions about leadership, strategy, and coordination among the alliance's many parties. For opposition leaders, the meeting was an opportunity to present a united front. For critics, it was yet another test of whether the alliance can move beyond meetings and translate cooperation into electoral success. One of the most closely watched figures at the opposition meeting was Mamata Banerjee. The West Bengal Chief Minister remains one of the opposition's strongest regional leaders, but recent developments within the Trinamool Congress have attracted national attention. Political observers are now asking how much impact will these internal challenges have on Mamata Banerjee's influence, both within her party and within the broader opposition alliance. Supporters argue that strong regional leaders have weathered internal disputes before. Critics believe such developments could complicate efforts to present a united opposition front. The answer may become clearer in the months ahead. Meanwhile, Congress found itself facing questions in Madhya Pradesh after the rejection of Meenakshi Natarajan's Rajya Sabha nomination. Congress challenged the decision and raised concerns about the process. The BJP argued that the rejection resulted from problems within the nomination itself. That leaves another question. Was this primarily a procedural dispute, or does it point to a deeper organizational challenges within the opposition? Predictably, both sides have very different answers. And that brings us back to the central questions. After 12 years of NDA rule, are we witnessing the consolidation of a long-term political era? Or are these simply the normal ups and downs of a democracy preparing for its next phase? The ruling alliance believes its record speaks for itself. The opposition believes that there is still space for a political alternative. Ultimately, voters, not politicians, will decide which argument carries more weight.